So everybody look here, this one. Previous class, yes, Abdullah. Previous class we finished this one. Up to home tab. We have completed up to home tab. Means this file tab and home tab is completed in previous class. Today you are going to study insert tab. Okay, and for this I will explain you what is the use of insert tab and how to do work with this one. See, first one is here. First question is given, you can see, insert new table with 2 row and 2 column. Fahad, take a challenge you do afterwards. First look here, insert table with 2 row and 2 column. Go to insert menu, click on table, click on insert table.
Insert table.
Yeah, like this again you can see. Here we need to insert 2 rows and 2 column. What is row and what is column? This is row, okay, and this is column. Can you see how many row is there? 1, and this is 2 row. How many columns are there? 2. How to insert? Go to insert, and here is table. Click on table, then click on insert table. You will get a window. In this window you will write, and dialog box you will write how many rows required? 2 rows and 2 columns. You can write here, delete and write down 2, and number of column and rows is already there, 2 is there. So I click on OK. You will see one table will come, same. Is it same?
Yes.
Okay. You can make this table size small also. I will do it from here mouse. You can click and make your table size small as per your. Can you see? Yes. It is small. Next question is given. It will be disturbed if I will do. Next question is given. Enter data into table. Means if you have a table like this and you want to write anything, so what you can do, click inside this. After that you can click this one and you can type. But what I will do, it is already written, I will copy paste here. Okay, it will save my time for copy, for writing. So you can copy this data, paste. See, it is same. Is it same now? Next step is insert additional rows and columns. Here you see 1 row, 2 row, means first row, second row, only 2 rows are there, and 1 column, 2 column are there. But here how many rows and column are there? How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. How many column? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So here we need to make same type. How you will make it? To do this one, click inside. Click inside. There are 2 methods. First method I will tell you, using layout. Click inside, go to layout. When you go to layout, you can see rows and column group. In the rows and column group, there is a insert left, insert right, insert above, insert below. So here you see these are above, folk. So here is above, insert above. When you click insert above, you see one came. I will tell you another method to do this one, right click using mouse, go to insert and above, see it will come. Here are two more column we need to insert. What you will do, click here in rows and column, insert left, insert right. If you click insert right, automatic one column will come. Next method is how to do, right click here, see right click, insert column to the left.
Another way is
Yeah, this is another way is right click, and one way is using left, using layout. Any you can use, okay? Next question is, yeah, can you see it is same now? If you want, you can make it a little bit small. Next question is given, merge cells of the table. Click here and select this one. I will select it by mouse, you can see, click inside and select this all, or you can select this all, is it? Yeah, select everything like this, select everything. Here in the layout you see merge cells, click on this, it is same,
yes.
merge cells, or you can do right click and like this. I will show you. When you select right click, you will see merge cells. Same thing is here. Either you can do from here or you can do from here. Next, here what we did, you see, here we have mixed all the cell merge, and here we will make the cells, we will make the row and column. That is called split. You see here question, split cells of the table. Select this one, go to split cells. See how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 column. Number of column 4. Number of rows 4. Okay. Is it same? How I did? Here split cells. Split cells. Come down. Next question is given. Very easy it is. Just you need to focus and you can do. See, here is convert to text. Here is a table. Select this table, means click inside the table. Okay, click inside the table. On the layout, can you see convert to text? Can you see this word? Same word is here. Convert to text. Click on this one. So you will see a dialog box will come. Choose OK. Everything will be same. I will make it a little bit small. Okay. Next question is given. Convert to table. See, these are the text. These are text. Select this text. It is written the question, convert text to table. These are the text. We need to make it as table like this. What to do? Select this, go to insert, and when you go to insert, go to table. Here you see convert text to table. Fahad, here convert text to table. You see number of column 1, 2, 3, 4. See 4 are there. And click on OK. It will be like this. Now if you want to make more rows, you can put it more rows. How? you know how to put it, just right click, insert row below, like this, row below, insert row below. One more you can make it, insert row below. Next question is given, delete table. Here is a table. This table, you want to delete it. What to do? Either you can right click and delete, right click and click on delete, or you go to click on this one, go to layout, and you see here delete. Click on this delete and you will see delete cell, delete column, delete row, or delete table. Choose delete table, it is gone, deleted. Next question is given here. Insert picture from sample picture. We need to insert a picture. So till now what we learned? We have learned about table, everything is over. About table, row, column, insert, everything is over. Now we will move to this portion. First we will go picture, then clip art, then shape, and smart art, then chart. We will go serial by. So here is insert picture. Click on picture. In the question it is written, you see, insert picture from sample pictures. What you do? Click on this one, pictures, this one. Then you go to pictures. Can you see pictures? Then sample pictures. Sample picture, why? Because it is written, you see, sample pictures. Sample pictures, that's why we will select from sample picture. Open this one, and when you come down, I will scroll down. This one, insert. See, picture is very big. We want to make it small. So what to do? You can click and drag. It will be small. Al-Qadar. You can make it small. You see? It is small. If you move the picture, it is not moving. In order to move this picture here, anywhere, what to do? Very easy. Double click on the picture. Go to format. When you go double click, format tab. Here is wrap text. Click on this one. Anyone you can choose. Square, tight, throw. I will choose square. Now you see you can put this picture. Click and put this picture anywhere. See, I will select and put this picture here. Next question is given, artistic effect and cropping. Look here, same picture is there. Double click on this picture. Crop means make it small, make it cut something. Click on crop, and if you want to cut something, click on crop, and you can just move your mouse, it will be removed. Look here. And click OK. See, that part is cut. Now we want glow edge effect. Double click. Here is artistic effect. Artistic effect. Here. This one is glow edge. Click on this, it is same. You can make it small, no problem. Next question is given, clip art. We will insert picture. So now you know how to insert a picture and how to cut, copy picture. Now we will insert a picture from clip art. Clip art, when you click clip art like this, it will come. What is this? This is a computer. So what to do? You will write a word computer, write computer and click go. When you click go, computer will give you so many pictures. If you want same picture, here it is picture. Click, it will come. You can close this, no need. Now you need to make it small. You can click and drag. With the mouse it will be small. Look here. And you want to move it square and move it here. Next question is given. Insert shape. Insert shape. Okay. We will insert this picture here, like this picture. Go to insert shapes. In shapes, last you will get it here. Click on this. Now you need to draw a picture. See. After that you need to draw a picture. It will come same. One more thing, if you want to change color, so from here you can change color. You see, you can change color, no problem. If you want to change this border color, from here you can change border color. See, if you want another color, you can put this border color another. If you want to shape effect, turn and all, 3D rotation or anyone, you see, is it change? You can do work on pictures from these options, preset, glow. I will choose this one. You see, like this glow is there. So you can do. Okay. Next one is rotate. What we need this picture to be turned like this. Very easy. Click on this and rotate, flip vertical. It is a flip vertical. Click on this and click on this one. Click this and format. Format and here. Here is flip vertical. Look here, can you see? Flip vertical. Click on this. So it will be changed. See, this picture is big.
Turn you again this, please.
Yes, very easy.
Format, very good.
Click on this, double click. Go to format. Format and from here, like this, you will see. Click here, here. Flip vertical and rotate anywhere. I will show you all. You see? Click on this and I will show you flip horizontal. See, can you see? Rotate 90 degree. And this and vertical. See. Okay. Like this. You can turn the picture. Or you can use this one. You can move. Next step is what we want to make this picture big, same size. How to do? Double click on this one. When you double click, format will come. Format menu, format tab will come.
Choose size.
After that here, can you see?
Yes, size.
Yeah, good one. Here and here, click on this arrow. So you will, this dialog box will come. Here H means height and W means width. Here height, you will write the height. How much it is? 1.87. So I will write 1.87 is the height and width
1.5.
1.5. 1.5. Click OK. Is it same?
Yes.
Next question is, select this one. I will select with mouse. It is not selecting properly. Next question is hyperlink. Select this one. Go to insert. Go to insert. Now hyperlink is here. Click on hyperlink and here is google.com. Click OK. What is use? If you click on this, website will open. Look here. Control and click. If you do, site will open. If you want to remove, select this one. You want to remove hyperlink. Delete hyperlink. Remove hyperlink. Right click. Select and right click. Right click. Here is remove hyperlink. Or you can go to edit hyperlink and this one remove link. It is deleted. If not going directly, if it is not deleting from here direct, so you can go to edit hyperlink and do it. For example, I will show you again. For example, it is like this. Okay, it is like this. You want to delete, remove, it is going. But if it is not going, you can go like this, then edit hyperlink, and from here you can click remove link, it will delete. Next question is smart art. We have finished table, picture, clip art, shapes, and now is smart art. Smart art text cycle. Click on smart art. Here you see cycle. Click on this one, cycle. Then choose here like this. If you move, you will see different name. So we want text cycle. Here you see this is text cycle, this picture. So click on OK. You will see like this it will come, but it is very big. We will make it small. See, I will make it small. From here you click here and like this you do. It will be small. You can close this one, no need. Yes. Next question is chart.
Teacher,
Yes.
what's the benefit of this one, smart art?
Yeah, good question. What is the benefit of a smart art? I will show you. I will show you in Word again. File. I will take new file. Then I will show you new in blank page. Blank page and create. Very good question. What is the use? Why we make this smart art? Insert smart art. For example, if you want hierarchy and this one. Okay. Here. I want to write something. Look here. For example, you want here manager, then secretary, then take teacher 1, then 2, like this, 3. Okay. If you want to make a chart like who is the manager, after that who is below that, who is below that, who is below that, you want to make it, so you can make it like this. One more thing, if you want, see only this 1, 2, 3 are coming, you want to change this one, you want something extra here, you want more picture, what to do? Double click on this. When you double click, you will go to design and here is add shape. Click add shape and add shape below, above, before, after. I will choose after. You see what picture will come after. If you want to change the color or style, go to here and you can change the layout. I will choose this layout. If you want to change color, click here and choose any color. If you want smart art style, choose any style. Okay, so like this you can make this one. This is the use. Okay, now I will make a chart. Question is insert chart. Go to insert, after smart art, chart. Chart, okay, you see circle chart. This is called pie chart. Fahad, look here. Okay, pie chart. Okay, this one. Choose here pie chart, and this one. Okay. When you click, Excel will open. Microsoft Excel is open. Now, what is use of this one? It is used to change data here. Whatever data is here, we need to change it. If you want to change, you can change. For example, if you want this different, automatic it will change. I will change it and show you. For example, you want here Damam temperature, for example, you want a chart for temperature, Dammam, Riyadh, then Jeddah, and okay. For example, here temperature is 20 degree. Just take example here, 20 degree. Then here also in Riyadh it is 30 degree. In Jeddah it is 25 degree. And here it is 20 degree, 22 degree. You see. And you can close. You see Dammam this much, Riyadh this much, Jeddah this much. So by seeing this one, you can tell where is the temperature more, where more temperature is there, which city. Can you tell this picture? Which city more temperature is there? If you want to know edit data, you can see 30, Riyadh temperature is more. You can see here, Riyadh temperature is more because it takes more space. If you want to make it small, you click and make it small. Okay. Next question is text box. Insert text box. Click here. This is over. This is over. And bookmark and cross reference, and this I will tell you now after this I will tell you. Next is text box. Click on this text box. Click on this one. So here is a text box. Here you can write anything. You can write your name or anything inside the text box. Next question is given symbol. I will bring this one here. Okay. Insert. See text box. After that it is symbol. Here symbol and this omega symbol. Where is this? More symbol.
The first one.
First one was no problem. You can get it from here. Insert. So you see this picture will come. You want to make it big. Choose this one, and from here you can make it big. Some more, little more. It is one. Okay. Okay. This symbol, and this you will do in next class. But now I will explain you some more topic which is not in the practice about the insert menu, insert tab. For example, you want a cover page. Click on insert and cover page. Look here, cover page. You can see different style cover pages are there. I want like this. See here cover page will come. When you make a project, for your self-learning, you will make a cover page like this or any style cover page by using this one. Here you can change the data. You can change the value. 2013. Type of document. Here you can write, and here you can write your name and detail. This picture, if you want, you can change this picture. Click on this one. Picture style. You can change the background, everything. Okay. Next, I will tell you what is use of insert and blank page. For example, something you written here. Okay. Now, insert blank page. One blank page will come. And one more question can be page break. Page break means, for example, something is written here. Look here. If something is written here, you want from here everything must be on next page, another page. So click here, insert page break. That portion will go to the next page. if you want to delete page break, what you do? Click here, and press delete key. When you press delete key, page break will be deleted. So now you know these all. Hyperlink. Bookmark. Bookmark means if you are reading a book or you are seeing a document and you want to go to somewhere, for example, here you have here this one and here this, everything is here. Here, click here, click on insert, click on bookmark. If you want a bookmark, just say page 1 or P1, P1. Click add. So what happened? Here is one bookmark is added. Another bookmark I will make here P2. Insert bookmark. Here I will make another one P2 add. Okay, I will close this one. Now you see what happened about this. What is used? If you are here in this page, if you are here, go to insert bookmark. If you click on P1, go to, you will go there. If you click on P2, go to, you will go there. It is used to go to that page quickly. If you want to delete, delete bookmark, close. So insert bookmark is finished. Header and footer. In exam sometimes it comes to there is question to insert header or to insert footer or to insert page number. You can do from here. Insert, go to header and footer group. Header. Header means any message you want to type here, it will appear on every page. For example, PYKSU. Okay. Now you see this PYKSU is here. PYKSU is here. Okay. Cover page it is not there, but this and this, can you see? Yes. Everywhere it is there. Now you want to add on every page some footer here. What you do? Insert and go to footer. Choose, I will choose this one. Here, type your text. I will delete and write down what should write. Tell me your name, Bandar and full name.
Yusuf.
Name?
Yusuf.
Okay.
Al Salman.
And this. Okay, you see, and click here. You will see everywhere it will come. Is it coming? Yeah. First cover page will not come, and you see every page it is coming. Is it coming? But if you want to change, it is there, you want to change it. What to do? Double click here. When you double click here, you will reach there. You can delete and you can click, close this one. You can change. You can change header or footer like this. Next one is page number. Insert page number. Already page number is there. Page 1, page 2 is there. You want to insert and delete. I want to delete page number. Click here. And delete. See, page number is not there. You want to insert, you can bring it from here. Insert and page number, bottom, there, now down. I will choose this one. On every page, automatic page number will be there. You see, it is inserted. So this is use of header and footer and insert. Next step is quick part. I will tell you about that here. Text box is already completed. I will tell you about quick part, field, and if you want author. Okay. So it will tell you it's not inserted. Go to insert and quick part like this here. See, main document only. This message is coming. Here, quick part, field, and I want something, page reference or date and time. Let us see date and time. Can you see? Date and time is inserted. Next is word art. About this you know. You want to write something in style. You can write this. Insert and word art. Choose anyone and you can write. Next topic is drop cap. If anything you have written like this, keyboard is device. You want first letter to be big one. Click here, drop cap. You see, like this. Or you can choose in margin like this. None, nothing. The first letter will be automatically big. Drop cap. And date and time you can insert from here also. Go to date and time, choose any, click OK, it will come. So this is the enough now. So these are the things you have learned today about the insert tab. What to do? You should download this file from your email. Download this file from email and solve it. After solving, send to my email.
Homework or today or now?
No.
Now?
No. Closed?
No.